Hello friends, it's Rain here. I just wanted to share something with you. I did a little bit of a DIY project this week. You might remember a few weeks ago I posted a video called, I think it was called Door Screen and the Dogs, where I showed you my magnetic door screen. I wanted to put a screened-in porch in this year, but my finances wouldn't allow it, so the magnetic door was a great option. It was very inexpensive, but I found that there was a little gap underneath, and it still lets some bugs in. I'm going to show you. So to fill the little gap here, I made something very DIY and very quick because I wanted to be able to open my door the same day. These here are wooden dowels. So I have two wooden dowels here, and I cut some on the side to sort of make a frame, and I just put them together with this orange duct tape and a little bit of glue, and I had just enough extra screen here to make a screen, and as you can see I just really put them together with safety pins. I told you it was a quick fix, but it closes that gap perfectly. And what I did after was I took this retractable screen here. I had several of these in the house that I wasn't using. I bought them when I first got all the dogs because I wanted to separate them. But this screen basically, if you take a look, it's see-through and it's about waist high. So I installed it here so that basically it's tall enough so the dogs can't jump over, and it's low enough to the ground so my cat Oscar can't go through. I'm going to show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like from the inside, and I have my little porch. I'm so happy. Well, my indoor porch. I pulled this screen over and it hooks into these little fasteners on the side there, and it has a locking mechanism on the top. That's unlocked and that's locked, so it's nice and safe. The dogs can't try to run through it, and everybody's safe, and we can get a nice breeze going, and the dogs can look out and my cat can look out. It's really, really nice. What do you see outside?